catch a 7-year itches. You walk your ass switches. You ain't past 3 wishes, so pass the lamb. My paradise is already planned. I'll be the man.
But your rappers, dancers never meet palm. I step on stage still spraying psalms. I ride a llama down Madison. Yet you think you floating. I'm double flushing when I drop shit in your John and you hosting. What you hosting? I'll leave you toasted. Roasted, you flake, you fake. I steady rip that ass and marinate for the brain. For the sake of the soul. We rhyming when I'm old, shit is gold. The story told.
Allegory unfolds with objects more complex than origami paper feasting to the shape of a congress that knows something about progress. I'm vexed, your mind's caved in. I'm convex, the time's yet to come when the ones that kick humdrum conundrums or some bumps. I come from a place that separates the rich from some slums. That's why blitz is not my idea of some fun. You dumb dumps.
Look at what we have here. Or you wanna kick that same style as last year? Have here when we step up to the mic. That's right, the light shines and night rhymes. Let us stay out of the sight line. Look at what we have here. Or you wanna kick that same style as last year? Have here when we step up to the mic. That's right, the light shines and night rhymes. Let us stay out of the sight line. From set to octet, I rock sets while lyricists jerking, switch, afflicted with Tourette's. They be bobbing their head and missing their medicine, running in place, getting nowhere but top 10. With the 7 in lane, commandos who listen. The mission is to christen you with flows that glisten. You missing the point, I think permission is pointless. Appointments must be kept to annoy this. We rearrange things, a new formation. Doing when we here to change shit. Sound like you do that same shit, that lame shit, never create shit. You wanna hate it, you get played with when I display with. And every day, when you dismay, bet like when we go away, yeah. Set up my mental rain net to encase the day and spray wet flows. I'm in your nose, drown you with sound and prose. The crown goes to you, but the mic to me. People like what they see, the sound we might team. Look at what we have here. Why you wanna kick that same style as last year? Have here when we step up to the mic. That's right, the light shines and night rhymes. Let us stay out of the sight line. Look at what we have here. Why you wanna kick that same style as last year? Have here when we step up to the mic. That's right, the light shines and night rhymes. Let us stay out of the sight line.
There'll be a party on the mountain, people dancing on a hill.
It lacks all sense and reason, meeting her tonight. The fallacy is believing, and maybe could all might. It's the most desperate season. We've only exchanged words. I know it sounds absurd. She could be anyone around. She could be anyone in town. She could be anyone I found. What kind of name is love? What kind of name is love? What kind of name is love's got me waiting, holding me, anticipating on a miracle. When asked who I am meeting, or who I'm waiting for, I said I'm looking for love to come running through the door. Aren't we all they told me, or haven't you heard? I know it sounds absurd. 'Cause she could be anyone you know. She could be anyone, no show. She could be anyone, stop or go. What kind of name is love? What kind of name is love? What kind of name is love? Got me staring, I don't know what she'll be wearing. It's wonderful.
said they wanted speed. They said they wanted power. They said they wanted Beyonce on a ham sandwich. Well, 2.5 out of 3 ain't too dang shabby.